Though I received my Raspberry Pi 5 board today, I am unable to use it as power supply, microSD card and microHDMI to HDMI adapter are yet to arrive. Hence, I thought of having a detailed look at the board instead. Took a few photographs under spotlight and magnification. A good knowledge of the board is needed for me to work with it for potential innumerable projects. The first thing which caught my attention was the BCM2712 main processor of Raspberry Pi 5, manufactured by Broadcom. It has a 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 CPU running at 2.4 GHz compared to the 1.5 GHz BCM2711 of Raspberry Pi 4. This chip near the name of Raspberry Pi 5 and located near the main processor should be the 4GB LPDDR4 SDRAM. LPDDR4 stands for Low Power Double Data Rate 4th Generation. SDRAM stands for Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. This is the PCIe port, which means Peripheral Component Interconnect Express, a high-speed serial interface for connecting components like graphics card and solid-state drive. HDMI 0 and HDMI 1 are micro HDMI ports near each other. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. I will need a micro HDMI to HDMI adapter to connect any standard HDMI monitor to these ports. I shall show that as soon as I get it in a couple of days. This is the Type-C USB Universal Serial Bus port near the HDMI ports. Power can be delivered through this port using a Raspberry Pi 5 compatible power supply. I'll be showing that as well in a few days. Earlier, I had connected a USB cable connected to my laptop and the power LED lit up immediately.